Every day, contractors are under pressure to complete projects on time and under budget. Too often, the product sets used hinder instead of help. Contractors find themselves forced to choose between a high-performing product and a quick, easy installation. And this choice is a source of stress all around. To tackle this problem head-on, we set out on a mission to make a solution that is easier to learn and easier to deploy. It puts hours back in your day without having to compromise on performance. Over the past 2 years, we have worked side by side with contractors just like you to perfect a brand new connectivity system that will make your life easier. This new connectivity solution is called REVConnect. R stands for reliable because it works the first time while maintaining superior performance. E stands for easy because it's an easy to learn, fast, universal termination that allows you to terminate on bonded and non-bonded cable in the same amount of time. V stands for versatile because one single core termination is all you need to learn in order to install 8 different connectors, including RJ45 plugs. Sound too good to be true? It's not. We're so confident you'll find value in this solution that we will ship it to you and let you try it yourself 100% risk-free.